We conquered the land. We conquered the sea. We conquered the sky. We conquered the space. We conquered. Wait, what?
The human body is super resilient, complex, but very simple to operate biological machine. It's so simple to operate, even wild animals know how to handle it. I'm not comparing humans with animals. We are better than them, but still, we miss this one thing keeps us going. Along with aging, wear and tear are inevitable. It doesn't mean aging is an excuse to be sick and weak. With proper knowledge and discipline, we can change everything. That's why it's very important to teach kids about longevity and food from a young age. It's not about how long we live, it's about the quality of life. Every 35 days, our body makes new cells with the food we eat. We are literally what we eat. And our bones completely regenerate every 10 years. That's why we always have a chance to fix things up. Among us, there are people who gamble with their health. They might know the consequences. They are willing to drag their loved ones to trauma, simultaneously destroying the finance to the grave. If you don't want that to happen, keep watching the video. Before getting into nitty-gritty, let me address the elephant in the room. We can't get away with the years of abuse we have done to our body. We just destroy it for years and we want to fix it in months. We can hack biology, but we cannot cheat. Shortcuts going to be a big trouble in the long run. Humans are the only species that are obese. There's an evolutionary reason for that we are prone to store fat. But we cannot give in to that because our lifestyle is not like hunter-gatherers anymore. Going against nature requires a lot of willpower, and obesity comes with the baggage of health issues. For some reason, in some countries, obesity is normalized. In some cultures, it's glorified. There was a time in history being obese emphasized high social status. Now we know better than the people who wore powdered wigs to cover their bald spots caused by syphilis. Child obesity is a new age health problem. So don't risk your kid's life because you don't understand how food works. Delay the introduction of highly addictive, widely available drug, sugar. But apparently from medicines to everything related to kids are sweet. So it's no easy task to keep the kids from getting addicted to sugar. Sugar being highly addictive is no secret and it leads to a lot of health issues. Understanding food is vital. Let's simplify food into two basic categories. If we are able to see through the misleading advertising and labels and identify this, we are halfway down the road of being healthy. Be skeptical of advertising. Fruit juice is the most misunderstood consumer product in the market. By the way, fresh juice is itself not good for your body. Sugar is sugar even if it's natural. Just eat the fruit. Likewise, know your food, how it's made, how it's going to affect your body, and how important this food for your body. This awareness will help to improve your relationship with the food and food's relationship with the body. Always read the labels, ingredients, nutrition facts. It will help to improve the relationship. There are a ton of diets. Experiment. Find your own meal plan, what suits you. If you want to know what's my modified meal plan, check the link. Having a basic idea of our body is very important. We can educate ourselves through books and documentaries. Having a hold on our body is very important. Lacking information of our meat wagon and having no idea about what we consume, it's not a good look. Talking about looks, these are not healthy and unsustainable. Fat is important to our body, but not too much. Finding the balance is the important part. Poverty is another reason for being unhealthy because unhealthy processed food are cheap. Even we can hack that with proper knowledge. What we consume, how we consume, when we consume. These are the three golden points that can change our life. Look at these people. It seems like there is a correlation between being successful and healthy most of the time. Unless if you are ridiculously talented or lucky. Our body can handle years of abuse and still function. But when it gives up, it might be too late. So try to pick up the clues when the body gives you when it's deteriorating. Even without exercise, we can be healthy. But the problem is our sedentary lifestyle because it leads to another load of illnesses. So we have to disrupt this sedentary lifestyle through some physical activities. Stay up to date with the new information. Don't stick with outdated concepts. In the end, it's all boils down to discipline and knowledge. Discipline doesn't mean punishment. Self-discipline means self-love. If you're walking around extra fat, pay attention. It's not part of you. You have to get rid of it. Don't settle into what you have or what you got. Always strive for what you want. Cheers. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Signing off, this is Z.